Welcome to this tutorial on lazy properties in Kotlin. Today, you'll learn how to master lazy initialization using the lazy delegate. This is a powerful feature that helps you write more efficient and performant code by deferring property initialization until it's actually needed. Lazy initialization is a design pattern where property initialization is delayed until the property is first accessed, rather than at object creation time. Instead of computing and storing values when an object is created, lazy initialization waits until you actually need the value. This can significantly improve performance, especially when dealing with expensive operations or large data structures. There are 4 main benefits of using lazy properties. First, performance. You can avoid expensive computations until they're actually needed. Second, memory efficiency. You save resources by deferring initialization, which means less memory usage upfront. Third, faster startup. Your objects are created more quickly because heavy initialization is postponed. And fourth, on-demand loading. Properties are initialized only when they're actually used, not before. The syntax for lazy properties in Kotlin is straightforward. You declare a val property, followed by a colon and the type, then the by keyword, and finally the lazy function with curly braces. Inside these curly braces, you write your initialization code. This code runs only once, the first time the property is accessed, and the return value is what gets stored in the property. Let's look at a practical example. Here we have a user class with a profile property that uses lazy initialization. The profile property is initialized with a lambda that prints loading profile and returns user profile data. When we create a user instance, nothing happens yet. But when we access user.profile for the first time, the initialization code runs and prints the message. On the second access, the cached value is returned immediately without running the initialization code again. Lazy properties have 4 key characteristics you should understand. First, they are thread-safe by default. Synchronized initialization ensures safe concurrent access from multiple threads. Second, they are computed once. The lambda executes only on first access, and the value is cached for all subsequent accesses. Third, they are read-only. Lazy can only be used with val properties, not var, because the value is computed once and never changes. Fourth, there is no backing field. The delegate itself handles all the storage and initialization logic for you. Kotlin provides 3 lazy mode options to control thread safety behavior. Synchronized is the default mode and provides thread-safe initialization with locks, making it safe for concurrent access. Publication mode allows multiple threads to initialize simultaneously, but the first one to complete wins and its value is used. None mode provides no thread safety at all and should only be used in single-threaded contexts where you're certain there won't be concurrent access. Here's a real-world example, a database connection class. The connection property uses lazy initialization to establish a database connection only when it's first needed. Creating a database connection instance is fast because the expensive connection operation is deferred. The connection is only established when you call the query method for the first time. This is especially useful when you might create the object but not always use it, saving resources and improving application startup time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.